Welcome to another episode of Tester Camps. Today I am going to talk to you about how to use Docusign. Increasingly, more companies and more people are now sending documents to their clients or their customers to sign online. Gone are the days when we have to depend on paperwork, print, copy, and send it back. It's back and forth, so that is gone now. Now there are a lot of applications like DocuSign, HelloSign. There is a multitude of them. Microsoft has one, but I like DocuSign, so I'm going to talk about DocuSign. I'm going to be talking a little bit faster because I want the video to be less than 5 minutes. And the good thing is you can always come back and retrieve the documents that you have signed with DocuSign. You can send the signed copies to as many people as possible. Now let's get straight onto it. Just go into your email, click on the document, the email that sent you the DocuSign to sign, as you can see here. Now click that open. Then you go to view document or review document. So I've clicked on that. Now the document has loaded. So all I need to do now is to fill these required fields. So you would see there is a red arrow or red line for me indicating that I should fill that. And then there are boxes for me to tick. So when I'm about to start, I'll just click on the start button, and this is the sign in button here. You can see that the name has been pre-filled for me because whoever sent it to me indicated in the DocuSign that I should sign. So this is the download button. Don't download now, because if you do so, you are doing so without without your signature. So I'm going ahead now to fill the document. Right, now I have filled in all the required fields. Now this is my address, 123 Example Street. That's done. And if you go down here, I have ticked these boxes agreeing to what it said, and now I have put in my signature as well. So to put the signature, you always have an arrow, and when you click on that arrow, then it will just input your address straight away. Now your signature straight away. So my signature is in, my name is in, and this is the date. So I'm going to now click finished. And this is the important point now. After clicking finish, it says, can you log in, enter your password to have a free DocuSign account. I don't want that, so I'm just going to say no at the moment. Now I have said no. It says you are all done. You will receive a copy once everyone has signed. So assuming that there are other people who are supposed to sign this document, DocuSign will send me a copy after everyone has signed. But in this case, I am the only signatory, so I am going back to my email address to see if they have sent me a copy of the email. I'm just going to refresh my email. Now you can see they have sent me a copy of this document that I have signed, and here is the document. So from here, I can easily download this document for my own use, and I can easily forward it to other people. But just open the email properly. So you'll see view completed document. So it is important to note that with the view completed document, it's a link that expires within 2 to 3 days. So you have to come back here to click on that link to be able to view your completed document within 2 to 3 days. If you don't do so within 2 to 3 days, the link is going to expire. And that's where it becomes tricky. When it expires, it gives you the option of them sending you another link. Then you can do that. So here is how to download it now. You just click here, download. You have combined PDF and separate PDF. Like if you have 10 or more documents or 4, 5 documents, pages, you can click separate PDF. It will download each of them separately. Here we have 2. So if I click separate PDF, it's going to be in 2 separate PDFs. But if I click combine, which I'm going to do, is going to give me a single download. So the document is now downloaded. I have it on my computer as well. So this is how to use DocuSign. Most importantly, you always have to go back to your email and click on review completed documents. Then you can download the document from there. You can save it and send it to whoever you want to expire. But if it expires, when you click on it, it will say link expired, send a new link. So that's all about DocuSign.